Hi everyone, I am Mr. Kevan, your show host. Welcome to Aquarium Paradise. Other two fun places. First, your left side is Fun World and right side is Snow City. Look at that view of outdoor.
माय व्यूवर्स कोरियम का फुल एपिसोड दिखाने जा रहा हूँ, सो कीप वॉचिंग. This throne reminds me ancient Egyptian times. और यही है आपका टिकट काउंटर. The ticket price is around 400 rupees. So guys, you will get to see यहीं से पहले starting aquarium showcase दिखाई पड़ेगा. In my opinion, this site is best place to visit with a family. Here, balcony is decorated with a hanging plantation. This is a picture point where you can take pictures. Let's have a one pic. अभी चलते हैं बेसमेंट की ओर. He is my buddy Mr. Ram for today's exploring with me. ये वाला यूनिक दिखाई पड़ेगा with a full red light section. ये है mermaid fountain. Here you will get so many colorful fishes. This scene is inspired from Pirates movie, one and only, and all time our favorite Jack Sparrow. is the most important व्यू पॉइंट इन दिस डेस्टिनी और ये है इंडिया का लॉन्गेस्ट एक्वेरियम टनल। You will experience the biolife of aquatic species with view with 3D corners. There's a restaurant where you can have some snacks. Okay guys, hope you like it. If you guys are planning to visit today's Explorex, address is Jaya Mahal, Main Road, JC Nagar, Bangalore. And follow me on Instagram, ID is in your screen. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep support and stay tuned. Take care, thank you all and see you again in next video. Bye.